This 2019 Coachmen Adrenaline 19CB is a toy hauler RV. It is located in West Palm Beach, FL 33407 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.